I want to give a quick note to a special case that often comes up in exams, and it's the case of difference of two squares. Say I have a squared minus b squared. We don't want to know what a is, we don't know what b is, and we're asked to factorize it. Can we even factorize it? And the answer is yes, and it just takes this form. That's it. So it's the first thing that's squared is always a plus b, and the second one is always having a added or being subtracted from b. Let's break it up just to see and expand it just to see that I'm not talking rubbish. A times a is a squared. B times a is ab. Now we get to the minus b. A times minus b is minus ab, and b times b times negative b is negative b squared. They're going to cancel, and we're left with that. Okay, let's do a couple more just so you can see how it works. Say we have x squared minus 9, and I told you to factorize that. Okay, well, if we square root of the x squared, by definition we would have x. If we took the square root of 9, we would have 3. So that's the answer to that. Easy enough. Let's expand it again. So a times a is a squared. 3 times x is 3x. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. And 3 times negative 3 is minus 9. It should show that cancels with that. That's plus 3x minus 3x, and that's our answer. So say we have maybe slightly trickier. Let's say we have 4a squared minus 36z squared. What's the square root of 4a squared? Well, it's actually going to be 2a. I'll leave it to you, but if you square that, you'll get 4a squared. So it's going to be 2a plus something, 2a minus something. And I'll leave it to you to show that 36z squared, when we take the square root of that, we get 6z. So our answer here is going to be 6z and 6z. Let's expand it out just to make sure. 2a plus 2a is 4a squared. 6z times 2a is plus 12az. I'm going to put them in alphabetical order. 2a times minus 6z is minus 12az, And 6z times negative 6z is equal to negative 36z squared. The 12az's cancel, one is plus, one is minus, and we're left with 4a squared minus 36z squared, which is what we started with up at the top here. Look out for these, they come up quite a lot in tests. They're a nifty little trick to know, but they are not really important, but they do come up in tests.